She'll probably get some content even though I don't want to. So we just picked up a spare tyre from a random auto place in Calgary, and sorry I look terrible because I don't feel so good, and went to start the car and it wouldn't start, and we've worked it out that it's the fuel pump. So Stefan's on his way to go get a new fuel pump. Thankfully the guy who we got the tyre from is driving him to go get the part. But it's a bit sketchy right now. We had to take the fuel tank down a bit and there's fuel all over the ground, and it's a bit scary and a bit stressful for me anyway, because I hate cars and hate this stuff. But I'll try and get some more footage of him fixing it. But yeah, usually in these moments I don't really want to film, but I know I kind of have to if I'm going to do this stupid series. So it's a bit cowboy at the moment. As you can see, that's all the fuel that's fallen out. It's very, very heavy. So then Stefan's up in this part somewhere checking what it was. Basically it would like turn over but then not start or whatever, right? So then we try to put like some booster stuff on it. That didn't really, nothing changed. Try to put some like starter stuff in somewhere, sorry I'm not very good at this, in there, and that still like didn't really do anything. So then we checked if it was sparking. I think you checked that first, sorry, and it was sparking, so that's good. Look at me learning. And then we were doing like the multimeter on some things to see like power, I don't know, to see if something's working. So then yeah, we got over to the fuel, and then yeah, that's when he worked out that it's a fuel pump. So I guess that means the fuel is not pumping into the somewhere. And we have fuel injector. I don't know what that means. I think that's good for us. I don't know. So basically we're going to put a new fuel pump in, and then hopefully it'll pump the fuel into where it needs to go. And we already have the spark, we already got everything else. So in theory, the car should start. Look at my face, like my eyebrows, like just like I have like a lot of car anxiety because like my cars used to break down all the time. But I think like this is, I mean, it's not good for me. I don't like going through this shit, but I think it's good. I'm trying to like remember that everything can be fixed, and if a car's not starting or something's happening, there's like a reason for it, and it's like just trial and error, process of elimination. We're like, okay, so we've got this and we've got that and we've got that, so like we got to work out where the problem is, and trying to understand how cars run. I think it's been good. It's not something that I wanted to learn, but I guess like I don't have a choice right now. But yeah, very glad Steph knows what the fuck he's doing, because I don't know. Worst case scenario, if it comes to that, we're just gonna stay in Calgary the night. Like, shit happens, life goes on. We're safe, that's all that matters. That's my little update. So there's not really much car footage, that's just me talking, but I don't know. I might put a B-roll of car shit on top. Do you mind if I record a little bit? Is that a bucket of your pee? I'm just kidding, I've already taught them through it. It's our exhaust that broke off. Is that the exhaust? Do we have two exhausts?
It's just two tips.
Welcome back to Paul Car Garage. Paul Barn. Welcome back to Mighty Car Mods. Today we've replacing the fuel.
There's like another screwdriver, so use this.
The little baby one? Is that not next to you?
Where is it?
Maybe behind it. Come on, fuel. Garbage. You know how to install a fuel pump?
Yeah. What's that, sorry?
Thank you. Thank you for driving, Stefan. I'll try not to.
I'm going to charge this and then you can come get it again.
Okay, thank you. Looking good. How you feeling about it?
Just
Warm bees. Okay, update. I just turned on the ignition, not all the way, just turned it on, and then fuel was falling out everywhere. And Sam said, stop, 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 stop. So he says that's a good sign. So basically, the fuel pump works, but now we've got to get the fuel pump back into where it lives. Look at all these things. Look at all these things. Hello? Yes! Yeah, boy. Oh, it kind of stinks. Is that fine? It kind of smells.
because that had that stuff in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's smoking a little bit.
yeah, it's
Oh, it's alright?
it's that.
It's okay.
That stuff that we had in there before.
Okay. It won't, like, catch on fire or anything?
That spray stuff that we put in there.
Yeah.
That's what I would have done.
Okay. Wait, what if I put that piece of wood underneath? There's another piece of wood over here. Wait, where did I put it? Wait, is wood an igniter though? I'll get the crate.
Hold on, I might see what he's got for.
Yeah. I think you should too.
Fucking grab this thing.
be careful. What's the plan here?
We're gonna lift it up from the center.
You're not underneath it yet.
And then we're just gonna inch it up slowly and keep just putting blocks underneath it.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Alright, I'm gonna lift this up and we're gonna slide this.
Which, what?
We're gonna slide this.
Ew.
Alright.
There's not much ammonia. Oh, tip the oil already.
Alright, we need more blocks.
Let's take a photo of how trash we look. Oh, he's back under. Was that unlocked?
No, lock it. I think it just unlocks.
Guys, look at the state of me.